Well, here's what we're working on today. As you can see, filling up these blocks, this block wall. Got to get that ledger board off, attached all the way across, so I can put a form on the other side. Chip away all that. I'm gonna have to support the deck. I'll be going under there, cleaning all that up. Gotta get some supports under there so I can clear that ledger. And then pull that ledger board off so I can set up the form around the blocks and do a nice little pour over here on this side. And we'll visit the other side real quick. This is what it'll look like in the end. Nice little pour on top of that wall. Nice and level for me to lay floor joists on. This was the side. Just did that last night, waiting for the sun to kind of hit it up a little bit, hopefully. Help dry it up. It gives me a nice level surface right here. I span my TJIs across. You can get one and a rim board on the outside. Everything's nicey nice. Well, get you another little update in a little while after we fill up some of this block and maybe get the form set up.